The 2009 Volkswagen CC. With fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Volkswagen infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, a trip computer, heated seats, heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.